Tow Pro.
Tow Pro. Tow Pro. Tow Pro.
Wiggity, wiggity, wiggity.
What's up, Bender fam? We got the whole crew together. Also behind us are all the trucks that we've installed the REDARC Tow Pro into. We want to help you know how to make sure it's calibrated and also show you how to use it. Calibration is simple. Hook up a trailer, the Tow Pro dial will start flashing green and blue. Drive it around a little bit. Sometimes it's longer, sometimes it's shorter, 30 seconds to a couple minutes. The light will go solid. It's important to note the Tow Pro will work before calibration is finished. It just will work better after it's calibrated. We're calibrated. We defaulted to proportional mode, which is blue. If you're in green, that means it's user mode or manual. You set the trailer brakes to whatever power you want them to be. For highway driving, proportional is the best when it's blue. And you can turn this dial any which way in proportional mode. It's not going to do anything. It's full auto. If you push the button, we do that now, it will activate the trailer brakes. And that can be useful if you're on a trail somewhere, maybe you're going down a soft sandy hill. Your trailer can start to veer left or right when you don't want it to. You can hold that button down and put the brakes on the trailer and it'll straighten up behind you. Let's pull over to the side and show you how to put it into user control mode or manual. To switch modes, come to a complete stop. I like to put it in park. Put your foot on the brake, set your Tow Pro to 0, double press. It switches to green, now you're in user control mode. Double press again while still on 0. Switch back to proportional. It's easy switching. While we're in user control mode, let's take it up a hill and have some fun. Let's see how the trailer brakes do going down. Well, that worked out really well. The user control mode let me dial in exactly how much I wanted in a small off-road situation. That's exactly what that's for. Proportional works amazing. For highway, you don't have to touch a thing, does it all for you. Something to note when you're switching modes, if you're having a hard time, sometimes if your foot's already on the brake, then you go to 0, it won't switch when you double click. So all you need to do is let go of your brake, reapply the brake, and then double press, and then it'll switch, no problem. Hope that helps you out. If you haven't installed your Tow Pro yet, check out our dedicated REDARC playlist where we show you how to install all the different REDARC products and all the different trucks. And if you haven't picked up your Tow Pro yet, check out our online store, link in the description. You can also get one of these cool hats here. If you have any questions at all, let us know in the comment section below. If you like that video, hit that like button. Hit that notification bell if you want to see more of our content as it's released, and consider being part of the Bender fam by subscribing to our channel. Thank you all so much. This is Dylan,
Steven, Brandon
from Trail Benders Overland, out.